Hey guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's video is going to be another pumpkin spice recipe. It's a gluten-free pumpkin spice muffin, and this is in collaboration with Sweet Savant. She has an open invitation for people to upload any pumpkin spice recipes that they would like. It originally was supposed to end on the 14th, but she kept it open for anyone else who wants to join. So you can head on over to her channel and check out her rules. If this recipe sounds like something you would enjoy, please keep watching. Alright guys, that's about it. I hope you try this recipe and like it, and if you do, please comment below, and don't forget to share it with others. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.